Looking to improve the look, maybe go up to a larger tire size, or just improve the stance of your 2500 Ram truck? Hi, I'm Scott Becker, and I'm here to tell you about the Metal Cloak leveling kit for the 2500 diesel Ram. Metal Cloak's Ram 2500 leveling kit raises the front of the truck and removes the raked stance and allows you to continue to enjoy factory-like ride with a stouter looking build. The front control arm drop brackets flatten the factory control arm angles, correcting the geometry and ensures a smooth and compliant ride. The brackets are made of strong 1/4-inch steel, are welded and trussed for strength, and bolt directly into the factory locations. Metal Cloak provides 2.5 inches of lift with the front coil lift spacers that are made of strong 3/16 fully welded steel that level out the stance of your Ram. The lift spacers mount directly to the front coil buckets and reuse the factory components. The leveling kit allows you to affordably reuse the factory shocks that adapt to the taller lift with the Metal Cloak stock shock extensions. The shock extensions are made of CNC 5/8 hex rod steel and thread on to add length to the shock mounts, allowing the factory length shocks to be reused on the modified leveled Ram. The leveling kit is finished in our signature gold zinc to protect it against the elements and keep it looking good. And with our detailed instructions, you can get your diesel leveling kit installed in no time. And best of all, the Metal Cloak Ram 2500 diesel leveling kit is made right here in the USA. So when you're ready to enhance the look of your 2500 Ram and keep the smooth factory ride, look no further than Metal Cloak's Ram 2500 diesel leveling kit for your truck. Metal Cloak, it's your Ram, only better.